USAdrop versus AutoDS. Which one is better? Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be doing a complete comparison of USAdrop and AutoDS. Both are legitimate platforms for dropshipping. However, their approaches and core strengths are very different. This comparison aims to break down their key features objectively so that you can decide which one aligns better with your business. Now, first off, we're going to start off with pricing and accessibility. Now, if you want to get started with USAdrop, make sure to check out the link provided in the description box down below. Now, USAdrop offers a free plan that allows users to browse and access basic features without any initial investment. Their paid plans are their Pro and Plus plans, and they are very competitively priced. So to get started, you don't need to put in any card details. You can get started completely for free. Now, AutoDS does not have any type of free tier when it comes to their price plans. So you cannot even browse products unless you're paying. A subscription is required just to explore the catalog. For newcomers wanting to test out dropshipping and test the waters, USAdrop provides a lower barrier to entry. So USAdrop is definitely the better option when it comes to just browsing and being able to access a catalog, especially when you're just starting out. Now, let's look at their interfaces and dashboard experience. So this is my dashboard on USAdrop. As you guys can see, it's pretty simple to access. It unifies everything from support, analytics, order fulfillment, product sourcing, and store management into one dedicated interface. This design keeps the workflow contained and can reduce context switching. Now, if we compare this to AutoDS, AutoDS is slightly different. So AutoDS, in contrast, functions primarily as an integrated application within Shopify's admin panel. This offers a seamless experience for those who prefer to manage everything inside their store's backend. The preference here is largely subjective and depends on whether you favor a dedicated platform or a deeply integrated store plugin. Now we move on to a more critical area: product sourcing, fulfillment, and global infrastructure. So regarding product sourcing specifically, if you go into USAdrop offers a selectively curated catalog with a strong emphasis on vetted suppliers for key regions like the US and Europe. A core advantage is its on-demand global warehousing solution. Sellers can strategically place best-selling inventory across its network of 18 warehouses worldwide to enable fast delivery, with remaining items being fulfilled efficiently through its integrated supply chain. So finding products, sourcing them, and getting them to the customer is a breeze. Now, on the other hand, AutoDS provides access to third-party suppliers primarily through integrations with platforms like CJ Dropshipping and AliExpress. These integrated suppliers are typically also based in China. So USAdrop has infrastructure. USAdrop is built around a comprehensive ecosystem. This includes a network of global warehouses, a large warehouse in China, and services like one-click platform integration, print on demand, and localized payment solutions for various international markets. So AutoDS excels as an automation and monitoring tool, providing robust features. But the key difference is that USAdrop is offering you an integrated supply chain ecosystem, while AutoDS is a powerful tool for managing connections to external supply chains. Now, if we compare the next thing that I find very important for any dropshipping platform, that is going to be customer support. Now, USAdrop provides you with 24/7 customer support, so they have live chat support across all of their plans. AutoDS also offers support, but their level of responsiveness can vary depending on the subscription tier you have. Now, both platforms automate fulfillment. Their service models present a distinct choice. AutoDS leverages a polished user interface with more AI-driven automation. However, the trade-off is less personalized support, where interactions are primarily going to be automated or templated responses. USAdrop is built around a relationship-driven model. Clients can work directly with a dedicated account manager who provides personalized one-on-one assistance, ensuring solutions are especially tailored to their unique operational challenges. So, which platform is the better choice? You guys can see both interfaces And this is my USAdrop interface with finding products, finding the top best products, and having a unified interface really ensures smooth operations. You're able to manage your business really efficiently, and everything becomes a very easy breeze when you have dedicated support to help you in ensuring everything runs smoothly. Even if you're trying to find a product that is not available directly on their list and you can source a specific type of product, you can also go into NY Business and you guys can see you have your own NY system, you have taxing solutions, and you also have your own import list where you can see what products you want to import. So you have a unified system, and even your Shopify orders can be imported directly onto USAdrop. So in your orders tab, you're going to find all the orders that are synced from your Shopify store. And you can even connect multiple stores onto one USAdrop account. In summary, while both platforms are valid choices depending on your operational style, USAdrop emerges as the more adaptable and robust solution for a broader range of sellers. Whether you're just launching your first store or you are an experienced seller scaling a high-volume business, USAdrop is structured to meet your needs. This platform offers tailored solutions, and their advantage is direct relationship with customers, a key structural advantage. Unlike AutoDS, which primarily is going to give you templated solutions. So AutoDS just connects you with third-party fulfillment agents. The direct sourcing combined with over a decade of experience is only provided by USAdrop, and it gives you the leverage to negotiate better costs. This advantage is ultimately passed on, allowing you to give lower prices on your Shopify store. So with superior service and more competitive pricing, your store is definitely going to be a success. Therefore, for a solution that grows with you, combining the ease of use with deep logistical expertise and direct supply chain advantages, USAdrop presents a compelling and comprehensive choice. So I would say that USAdrop definitely is the better choice when it comes to USAdrop and AutoDS. Both are good, but USAdrop is a unified feature and it's going to solve a lot of your logistical issues when it comes to dropshipping. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you found them helpful, make sure to share them with someone you might think that may need these. Share them with your friends, with your family, with your cousins, and share them with any business partners that you might have. And it might help you guys a lot to know all of these techniques and to follow along. And if you enjoyed this video, I would recommend that you please leave a like. And if you have any questions regarding this video, regarding any other video, or regarding any social platform, then you can definitely ask me in the comments down below, and I will try to answer as soon as possible, because that is the point of our YouTube channel. I want to show you guys on how to glide through these platforms and how to easily navigate and fulfill the purposes that you want to do with these social platforms. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.